What up everybody, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and today we are going to talk about increasing your ICTR, increasing the average ICTR. So let's dive in. Alright, so yeah, we are going to talk about ICTR and improving it, improving the average and optimizing your creatives. But before we dive in, let me tell you that you can still apply for free access for our new platform, the Deberoo Suite, so that you can make use of free software tools and you can test out a brand new all-in-one affiliate marketing platform. So make sure to go to the link below and to sign in for the beta waiting list. Now let's talk about ICTR, because I had a lot of students asking me, can you explain what do I need to do to increase my average ICTR? So I created a little example. So in this case, in this example, we've got 30 different widgets or 30 different placements or whatever you want to call them, right? So we have 1 until 30. So basically we would have 10 images and 3 headlines, for example. So this would be image, I'm just going to do it like this, image 1 and headline 1. And then right here we have image 2 with a headline 1, etc., right? So this will go on up until, well, we would have 10 images all for 1 headline, right? Cool. Whoops. Well, you get the gist of it, right? And then these are our ICTRs. All right. So a lot of different ICTRs going from, what is it, 0.89 over here, 0.47. So going from 0.47 to like 3.24, it looks like. Yeah, that's our highest. All right. And that creates an average ICTR of 1.873. Now, our goal is to increase this. We always want to increase the ICTR, because the higher the ICTR, the more people actually see your landing page. So you'll get more views on your landing page for the same amount of money, right? And that's our goal, because we want to make use of the audience that we buy. The traffic that we buy. We want to make use of it, so we want to get them as far through the funnel as possible. So now we are going to optimize, right? So this average is just calculated, so I'm going to write it down here just to be clear. Okay, so this was the average ICTR when we started out, right? Now we are going to optimize. So what we are going to do is we are going to shut down every widget that is performing under average. So we're going to shut down every creative that is performing under average. So this should be creative, right? Creative. So 30 different creatives, and we are going to shut down everything underneath 1.873. So this is underneath, this is underneath, this is underneath, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, these two as well, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 creatives left. So less than the half of all the creatives are still left. But you can already see by deleting the ones that pull that average down, my average goes up again, right? So now I have 2.81 as my average ICTR instead of 1.87. Huge difference. Right? Huge difference. And I already know that these are somewhat working. They have stabilized a bit, so they seem to be working pretty good. now I am going to upload new creatives, right? So I am going to get these at the top for a second just to see what's happening, right? Just so that we know which ones are the old ones, just for this explanation to get it a little bit clearer. All right, get those in there, get those in there, and last but not least, get those in there. All right, so we've got 12 widgets that are performing above average. Now we are going to add new ones. So one would be performing not too good, but another might be performing pretty well. I'm just pulling these random in, so these could be ICTRs that you actually have on your campaign, right? It could really be fluctuant like this. It can really change a lot per creative. Let's see. All right. Whoops, that's a little bit too high maybe for this example. All right, cool. So we've added a bunch of new creatives, right? 13 to 30 is all new creatives. So as you can see, my ICTR once again increased. So we've got a higher average ICTR than we ever had before. But maybe we want to reach that average of between 2.5 and 3, right? Maybe that's our target for this campaign, since we did some research and the geo is good and the vertical is really doing well in that country. So we want to target a ICTR between 2.5 and 3%, right? So then in this second bunch, so these were all the original creatives, right? Up until 12 right here. So let's see. Headline 2, headline 2. And these are the new creatives, right? New creatives. I can just drag this. All right, so these are all the new creatives that we've added with either just new images or just new headlines, or maybe both. But usually we would do this one by one. So we had the winning images and the winning headlines. We keep the headlines in unless we see that one of them is really not working with any kind of image. Even the best working image is not working with the headline, then we remove it. But otherwise we would just keep the headlines in and test some new images. And as soon as we've done that, we do the same thing. So we go, okay, 0.98 right here at creative number 13. That is below the average of 2.4. So I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete this. Wait, before we do that, let's save this again so that you can see the difference again. So we started out at 2.873 and now we have 2.437, right? Okay, now we are going to delete these. So this one goes out, this one goes out, this. As you can see, I am going to delete quite a lot of them. This one is just above average, all right. Whoops, that one is above average as well. So quite a lot of them are getting deleted, but that gives me new creatives that are performing pretty well. Whoops. I'm hitting the wrong keys, in case you didn't notice. All right, so let's put these up here. Whoops. I keep doing that. I keep hitting Ctrl Z instead of Ctrl X. But whatever. Okay, cool. So now we have 20 creatives that are performing above average. And I've deleted everything that's performing below average. So the first run through, we had an ICTR of 1.87. We deleted everything below average. We added new creatives. We had an ICTR of 2.43. We deleted everything below average and we now have an average ICTR of 2.88. Now we are going to create even more creatives, so we are going to edit the headline as well, right? So we will get 10 more creatives with 10 more ICTRs. So let's see. Once again, I'm just randomly throwing these numbers in just to see what happens. All right. Cool. So we now have added 10 more creatives. Maybe we added another headline or edited some images. And now we have an average ICTR of 2.784. Higher than it's ever been, and it's on target. So what we do now, so let's say we are happy with these creatives. Okay, so then we are going to still shut down everything below average, because the average is 2.78, and when I remove everything below 2.78, including the original creatives that we had before, because those are now under average as well. So 2.78, this is below. Whoops, that one is not below, but this one is below. This one is exactly on target. I'll just leave it on. Why not? Right? Just get it some more data, and if it falls below average later, I'll just turn it off then. No worries. All right, so everything below average is turned off, and you can now see we have, what would it be, like somewhere between 10 or 15 creatives left, and our new average ICTR is 3.21%. So with this optimization, we went from an average of 1.87 on the first 30 creatives, the average. We deleted the ones that are below that average, and we added new ones. We came on 2.437. We did the same thing over again. We came on 2.784% average ICTR, and then we just deleted everything below average, and we decided to keep running the remaining creatives, which created a ICTR, average ICTR at 3.211. So that is quickly explained how you optimize your ICTR and how you increase your ICTR. So good luck with this. Make sure to implement this to your campaign so that more people will see your lander, and ultimately you will become more successful with your affiliate marketing campaign and more profitable as well. And don't forget to sign in for the beta waiting list. The link is down below in the description. And as soon as you apply for the beta waiting list, the sooner you do so, the sooner you will get access. And when you refer your friends, you will get access sooner as well. And you have a chance on getting the Deberoo suite for free for 6 months. So that's all the software, all the coaching, and everything you need for your affiliate marketing campaign is all in one platform, and you could get it for free for 6 months. So sign in for the beta waiting list below, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.